There are two cyclones currently in the western Pacific: Tropical Storm Kome and Typhoon Krosa. First, we will talk about Tropical Storm Kome. That is a very interesting storm. It became a tropical depression on the evening of the 22nd of July. Then, in the early morning of the 23rd, it intensified to a tropical storm. And after that, on the evening of the 23rd, it became a typhoon. It made landfall in the northern islands of the Philippines with wind speeds of 80 miles an hour. After passing over land, it weakened to a tropical storm. That was in the evening of the 24th. By the evening of the 25th, it had de-intensified to a tropical depression. And this is where things get interesting, because by the morning of the 27th, it had re-intensified to a tropical storm. It is currently a tropical storm with wind speeds of 40 miles an hour, and it is forecast to achieve wind speeds of 60 miles an hour. What makes this interesting is that it re-intensified from a tropical depression back to a tropical storm after being a typhoon, and that is not something that happens very often. It is also on track to make a second landfall, this time on mainland China. While it is unlikely that it will achieve typhoon status once again, that is not something you can rule out. It should make its second landfall somewhere close to Shanghai. We will continue to monitor the storm and see if it achieves any more intensification before its second landfall. The second storm we're going to speak about is Typhoon Krosa. It is currently located 716 nautical miles southeast of Yokosuka, Japan, and it has been moving northward at about 15 knots. It currently has wind speeds of 92 miles an hour, but it is expected to have the wind speed increase in the next day or two to about 104 miles an hour. Its forecasted track is expected to keep it out to sea, and it should have no impact to land. Typhoon Krosa is expected to remain a typhoon into the 1st of August before it begins to weaken. With the Atlantic off to a slow start, most of the action storm-wise has been in the Pacific. Anyway, that's all we have for this update. We will catch you in the next update.